So this is just going to be a quick video of me fixing the door on this Potter PFC-4410. You can see here, one of the hinges is busted off. So what I've done is I've rounded off a nail right here, and I'm going to tighten this with a pair of tongue and groove pliers, and I'm going to tighten it to the point where the nail will not come out, and it will function as a new hinge. It's the same diameter roughly as the old hinge. So now I'm going to take this door off, right here. We're going to throw this in here. Sorry for my shoddy camera work. Let's see if we can't tighten this back. I might have to put this down. Alright, I've tightened it down sufficiently, and with a few taps of the hammer, looks like it's in place. So now, this is the moment of truth. Oh yeah. Oh no. I know it fits. There we go. And bam. Now we've got a hinge. Ooh, look at that.